Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Manu's World. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting videos. Today in this video, let's see 10 lines essay on I learn things when I play. Point number 1. Playing helps us think better by solving puzzles and problems. Point number 2. We learn how to share and work together when we play with friends. Point number 3. Playing teaches us to understand and manage our feelings. Point number 4. Running, jumping, and other activities keep us healthy and strong. Let's see point number 5. We use our imagination and creativity during playtime. Let's see point number 6. Talking and listening during games improve our language skills. Point number 7. By trying new things in play, we learn what works and what doesn't. Let's see point number 8. Playing with kids from different backgrounds teaches us about other cultures. Let's see point number 9. Winning games makes us feel confident and proud. Let's see point number 10. Most importantly, play makes learning fun and enjoyable. So, guys, these are the 10 lines essay on I learn things when I play. So, these are the lines you can use them as a paragraph, 150 words paragraph on I learn things when I play, like a short paragraph, or you can use them as however you want. So yes, these are the lines. I hope you guys like the lines and like the video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.